This is a GO transit from Canada. Okay. Next. Rip. Look at me though. Look at this. I got a good window. Actually, look, it feels kind of cozy in here, to be honest. Hey. Hey. This is my train. Anyway, just go to the side window on the right. The little one, not the big one. Oh, well, I mean, never mind. Okay, let's keep going. Those were the Canadian and United UK, and now we're moving on to the American. We already did the Acela. I don't think we already did the Acela, so I'll do that again. He was a lovely. He was friendly, wasn't he? Sarcasm. Oh yeah, there's a cab car in the back. Go to the back. There's a cab car. Mickle. Go to the back train. There's a go to the back of the train. There's a cab car. Hey, you gotta film this, bruh. It's too late. But anyway, yeah, that's. Shush. Anyway, on to the next train, which I think is my favorite train in this game so far. I'm not only gonna do the horn, but also the colors of the train, you know. Hang on. Okay. color? Okay, now that we've seen bright log, moving on. We got the California commuter. It also has a cab car on the back, so. With the tracks. Oh, yeah, just ditch that train. Just delete it. There you go. Go back to the back. Tell me this doesn't sound like music. Anyway, on to the next. Here's my next train. It's an Amtrak. Also, look at the electrical cable up on the little electrical bar thing. You can hear electricity coming from the wires. And a spark of electricity coming out of it, too. See? Listen. Wait for it. I'm going to move and see if it changes anything. No, it does. Oh, you heard. There it is. Here, go to Rosalind South, and I'll do a flyby with the Acela Express, the Polar Express, the Acela Express. Sure, I can make a new